Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. 631-756-1125 is the phone number. The website, omnitruevalue.com. They opened early this morning at 3 a.m. and they remain open today. Plenty of rock salt to be had, even though many other places have already run out. So just check out omnitruevalue.com. Also, all brought to you by Holiday Lighting by Giannini, and that is at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst. Plan ahead for the next holiday season. Your complete holiday lighting specialist, 631-957-5106. And also, if you're a landscaper or contractor and you want to get involved in this, give them a call at that telephone number. So we have a little more work to do today. The forecast is kind of a broad brush general forecast because we're still dealing with these leftover flat waves. We've got a couple of them moving up the coast today. They have a little bit of moisture with them. So some areas will get into them, some areas won't. And the Weather Service has just got pretty much a broad brush of anywhere from as little as a coating to as much as an inch or two, or maybe even 2 or 3 as you go further up north and west into the Hudson Valley and into Connecticut and northeastern Pennsylvania. Mounts tail off, obviously, as you go south. Spreading this out over an entire day will probably minimize the impact. The big issue, of course, is the fact that we are glazed over from overnight with temperatures that were in the 20s in a lot of spots, and that's going to be hard to get through. And you can see on the satellite the stream of clouds is kind of running southwest to northeast. There's no particular rotation with them. There are weak little short waves or disturbances rippling along, and each one has a bit of moisture with it. And here it is on the full U.S. radar. Now, this is as of 7 a.m. And then you see all this back down through Virginia, into North Carolina, then on up into Delaware and southern New Jersey, just kind of sliding up the coast. And then you have this northern feature here that's producing some light snows in some areas as you go into northeastern PA and the Hudson Valley and on up into New England. So we're kind of playing this game all day long today with this. And here's just a quick look at some of the local radars. Again, as of 7 a.m. this morning, we're seeing some light precipitation developing overhead. The darker greens, if you get into the darker green echoes, that is where you'll probably wind up putting down snow, some accumulating snows. Here's a view from Dover, Delaware, so we can see what's happening in south central and southeastern PA and in southern New Jersey. Again, that's that southern moisture kind of sliding up there toward the northeast. So we're going to be dealing with this as we go through the rest of this Friday, and then we can finally say goodbye when the last wave goes out. Here's the HRRR model for today. You can see there's sort of these waves of precip, waves of snow. Gradually, as each wave goes by, the boundary shifts a little bit further to the east, and then finally by tonight, it is all mostly in southeastern New England, where we could see several inches or more of additional accumulation, by the way, in southeastern New England. So once we're done with this, our weather improves. We're going to have a nice cold weekend. If we could just warm things up a bit, but I think that might come eventually as we move into next week. But let's just check out what we can expect here for Saturday. We will see improving weather conditions come Saturday with sunshine, bit of a gusty breeze, temperatures only at best in the lower 30s for highs in most places. That's cold air coming down from the north. The high will move over us on Sunday. Winds will diminish. We'll have sunshine, still on the cold side. Most highs, again, lower 30s. And then we have a fast-moving cold front coming for Monday. And that front is going to probably produce some snow showers as you go north and rain showers as you go south. And if the precip comes in fast enough while the air is still cold, you could get a quick burst of snow in some places, mainly away from the coast, I think. And then that front goes by, and much of next week looks relatively tame. We'll have westerly winds. I think we'll see temperatures edge back up through the 40s, maybe even a little bit higher on any particular day. Could see a few 50s show up in parts of the mid-Atlantic states before another front comes through along about Thursday. Then we're going to see what happens with some energy in the south and a little bit of cold air here in the northeast. The GFS keeps popping this up Some of the other models have some hints of this for late next week, but you know what? We'll deal with that late next week. Okay, certainly not gonna deal with it now. So Weather in 5, again, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, as they have plenty of rock salt. A lot of places are out, so if you can't find any salting products, head to Omni, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. 631-756-1125 is the phone number. The website, omnitruevalue.com. And also brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini. And they're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. You can plan ahead for your next holiday season, whatever that holiday happens to be. And they are your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting your decorating needs. No Joe and Joe show tonight or this weekend. We've been on pretty much every day for the last 3.5 weeks. So it's time for us to take a 3-day weekend, which we are going to do. And we will be back on Monday at 7:30 Eastern Time on my YouTube channel. That is Joe Cioffi, so you can check it out there. By the way, we don't do anything on Facebook anymore regarding videos, in case you might have wondered. We stopped that a long time ago. Everything is on YouTube, so if you want to join in and be part of it, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel with your Gmail account, and then you can get notifications every time we do a show, which is usually every day except Fridays and Saturdays, and we have a Sunday morning show too. All right, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.